We've been needing some moisture around here, and it looks like round one of two rounds will be coming as we approach Wednesday morning across the area. We've already seen a few sprinkles down toward the Brazos Valley near Bryan College Station, and these clouds will continue to envelop the area as we make our way into the evening hours ahead of a storm system that's going to be a slow mover back toward the west. So that's system number one. System number two is still way out here near the Baja. That will continue to ride off to the east, and it's going to take a few days to get here. Looks like the weekend, Friday afternoon and evening, going into Saturday, possibly now Sunday as well, as this slow mover will be making its way from Mexico into far west Texas. We'll get in the details here in just a second, but here's the overall view. A 60% chance that you're going to get wet on Wednesday. I think the eastern half of the area has a higher potential for the wetter weather. Then as we get into Friday, will we be finding some dry air initially? That's why I don't have rain chances any higher than I have them right now, but I do think it goes up as we move into Saturday, and I have added rain chances to Sunday as it appears the storm system is moving a little bit slower than what previous model runs had. So let's get into at least the short-term forecast here. As we make our way toward midnight, it looks like a few showers will already start to develop across the area. Again, these will be spotty, not a continuous rain across the region. Then as we get into the morning hours, a little heavier activity could be rolling through. So we may even see a couple lightning strikes with this as well. Nothing severe or anything like that, but we may see a few heavier downpours here and there as that rolls on through and then becomes more widespread east of I-35 toward I-45 by lunchtime, and then moving off into East Texas with just some sprinkles left over by Wednesday afternoon. Now, how much rain could we see out of this? Well, it doesn't look like a lot west of 35, just enough to wet the ground, but east, you may see a ½ inch to an inch if we can get those showers and thunderstorms to develop right before they push on out of our eastern counties. So something to keep an eye on there. So eastern half of the area, better chances for appreciable moisture than off toward the west. And as we check out the future track going into the weekend, again, there's your Wednesday system right there. Thursday looks dry around here. Now Friday, this particular model says rain moves into the area. Other models say we're going to be fighting some dry air closer to the surface, so not a lot of this reaches the ground. So again, keeping chances of rain about 40% for Friday. Saturday, I think we moisten up the atmosphere enough to have a decent shot of scattered showers, maybe a few isolated thunderstorms as well. Again, nothing severe with this. It will be a chilly rain. If this does come to fruition, folks, we could be talking about temperatures in the 40s all day long on Saturday. And this particular model as well is slowing it down on into Sunday as well. So stay tuned as we continue to make changes to the forecast. So for tonight, temperatures will be down into the upper 40s. That's because the clouds moving in, not allowing it to get as cold. And then tomorrow, quite a bit cooler with the lack of sunshine. Highs in the mid to upper 50s north, upper 50s to near 60 as you head down to the south, even middle 60s toward Bryan College Station. And as we take a look at your forecast, we will be seeing those temperatures go from the 50s back up into the 60s on Thursday with drier weather. Then a few showers will be possible by Friday afternoon and evening, but I think the lion's share will come on Saturday, possibly early Sunday as well. And temperatures on the chilly side. I'll go 50 for now. There are some models that keep us in the 40s though. 60 degrees for Sunday afternoon as the rain comes to an end. Up to 73 Monday with southwest winds coming in. And then here comes our next front, which will drop us back below normal once again as we head toward the middle and end of next week. And for the Brazos Valley, 70% chance of showers and thunderstorms as we make our way through Wednesday. Thursday, drier. Friday, again, a few showers possible late in the day. Most of it coming in on Saturday, going into Sunday the way it looks right now, with highs into the 50s, hopefully getting to about 63 by Sunday. And then our next front lowering us from the 70s Monday back down the 60s and 50s by the middle part of next week.